Time reversal is a mathematical operation on a signal. For example, I'm having a signal like this. It has x of t. This is x of t. It starts at 0, 1, 2, 3. Finding x of minus t is called the time reversal. It is nothing but the mirror image of is nothing but the mirror image of the signal about y-axis. That is called x of minus t. So mirror image of the signal about y-axis is called time reversal. Combination of time reversal and time shifting. Time shifting will be used in many places. Now let us see the combination of time reversal and time shifting. Suppose I want to delay the x of t by t, or 2 seconds, let us say. What is x of t minus 2? Here, delay of 2 seconds. That's why the signal will start, instead of 0, it will start at 2, end at 5. This is x of t minus 2. On the other hand, what is x of minus t plus 2? What is x of time reversed? X of minus t plus 2. This can be written as x of minus of t minus 2. Minus sign. This minus sign indicates time reversed. Time reversed. This minus, this 2 indicates delay. Therefore, what you will get here is, here also there will be a delay. So instead of starting at minus 3, it will start at minus 1. It will start at minus 1. Minus 1, 0. It will end at instead of 0, it will end at 2. This is what this is x of minus t plus 2. So to avoid confusion, we are writing this as x of minus of t minus 2. So you won't get any confusion, because this minus sign is to indicate the time reversal. This minus 2 indicates the delay. What is x of t plus 2? Advanced. X of t plus 2 means it starts at minus 2. This is x of t plus 2. So it is started at minus 2 instead of 0. So the x of t, this is x of t plus 2. What is x of minus t minus 2? This can be written as x of minus of t plus 2. This minus indicates time reversal, time reversal. And this 2 indicates advancement once. So time reversed signal is this x of minus t. It has to be advanced. Advanced means instead of starting -3, it will start at -5. Advanced. So -5, and it will end at -2. -5, -2. Instead of 0, it will end at -2. So this is x of minus t minus 2. That's all. So this is to understand time reversal. A combination of time reversal and time shifting. Combination of time reversal and time shifting. Now let us see some sums so that we can clearly understand this time reversal and time shifting.